You guys are gonna think I've gone mad. So guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video, and welcome to the new channel project. And no, I haven't gone crazy, I haven't bought a Polo. This is my girlfriend's daily, if you don't know. And as I've alluded to in previous videos, my girlfriend will be getting a new car this year. So this car will be destined for the scrapyard. Now, as you can see, it's a little bit worse for wear. Scrapyard is probably where it should go. But no, we're car guys, I'm not doing that. So we're gonna give this car a new lease of life. I thought, why not? It's got a few things that need doing to it mechanically. Obviously, from the exterior, it has a lot of things that need doing to it as well. But yeah, I just thought, as being a car guy, don't want to see a car go to the scrapyard. Thought it'd be a fun little mini series for the channel, and we'll see what we do with this car. So yeah, we'll go over the bad points, as there is a fair few of them. But all in all, it's a pretty solid car. It's a good daily. There is a few mechanical issues, like I say. So first port of call before doing any mods, we'll just be getting it mechanically sound, so it's okay to be worked on basically. Once we've got those done, then the fun stuff can come in. It's not going to be the sort of series where it's this episode I'm changing a headlight, this episode I'm doing the bonnet. No, we're going to get a lot done in this series. I'm thinking maybe 3 or 4 videos max, and we're going to get a lot done. So like I said, there'll be a few things done in each video. It's not just one major thing getting changed on a car or a how-to. It's just we're getting this car sorted. In this video, we're going to go over the bad points in the car. As you can see, it is in desperate need of a clean, so that'll be this video as well. And you guys clearly like a deep clean video, as you've seen with the E46 content. Don't know how well you're going to like it with the Polo, but nonetheless, we're going to do it. Before we get to cleaning the car, we're going to go over all the bad points on the car, make a list of all the parts we need to get the car fixed. Once that's sorted, we can get on to cleaning it, see where we're at, see what else is wrong with the paint. It's going to need a polish here and there. The bonnet is one of the main issues, but enough of me rambling. Let's get on to discussing the negative points on the car and all the points that we need to address, fix, change. Yeah, you guys are going to think I've gone absolutely crazy. So let's go over the issues, as there are a fair few. First one that jumps out is obviously the bonnet. The clear coat has obviously failed. I'm torn with what to do, to be honest, whether we paint this, wrap this, buy a new bonnet. Like, in terms of the body itself, like, there's no dents or anything, it's fine. So I'm thinking of just wrapping it in a gloss black. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of that. Clearly this headlight here is the worst one, but the headlights are pretty perish as well, so we can give them a bit of a restoration. The plate is completely damaged, so we'll get some fresh plates, I think, for the car. The front end is a bit peppered in general, so we'll just give it all a good clean. In terms of this part of the car, there's a dent. I don't know if you can see this, it comes in here. You can see where the fitment of the bumper is a bit dodgy here, so we'll try and sort that out. This side of the car itself isn't actually that bad. It's obviously very dirty. You can see the dent a little bit better here now. But yeah, it's just very dirty. Steelies obviously need to go, because no one should be running steelies. In terms of the rear of the car, the rear is pretty much okay as well. It's just, like I say, very dirty. It's just absolutely filthy. There's some damage on this side, as you can see here. We'll go over that in a second. The main point, which apparently is actually quite common on these Polos, the petrol cap has snapped off, so we will be replacing that whole unit. You can see the damage more here, it's dented in a little bit. Like here. It's nothing major. We can try and sort that out the best we can. This side of the front's all okay. As for the interior, it's pretty stock, in all honesty. Well, it is stock, in all honesty. It's obviously a manual. This is my camera gear, but it is absolutely filthy. I've got dog stuff in the back, loads of random stuff inside. But yes, we're going to give this a massive clean. In terms of the boot, I don't think I've even been in the boot in a while. The boot itself, I think the boot's actually okay, to be honest. It's just got stuff in it, but we'll get that sorted. And like I say, in terms of the whole car, in my head there was a lot more that needed sorting. Obviously already got a windscreen banner because she's a car girl. There is a few, like I say, mechanical issues as well. Main one being a huge exhaust leak. So if I prop you guys there while I start the car, here, the exhaust is pretty much dumping from down there. So yeah, that will be something we definitely need to fix. In terms of the engine, the bonnet struts themselves need sorting. The engine is actually okay, it just works. Needs a bit of a clean up, like I say, which will get sorted. Just a 1.2 Polo, perfect daily, and it just works. So the bonnet struts are a bit destroyed. But yeah, this is the new channel project for the mini series. Let me know what you guys want to see us do to this car, what you want the purpose of this car to be, if you potentially want this car. Now we've gone over all the bad points in the car, as we discussed previously, it is time to give this car a much needed clean. I'm not going to go too in depth because I'm not exactly trying to save the paint. I'll just do a pre-wash, contact wash, probably find some more things I need to fix on the car. But yeah, let's get to it. So guys, that is the car clean, somewhat clean. It's one of those situations where you clean the car and it looks worse. But yeah, we've got the bulk of that dirt off. It is looking a lot better in all honesty. The jet wash, to be fair, took a lot of the clear coat off, so it saved me a bit of a job. So if we do wrap, paint, get a new bonnet, whatever we do, I'm leaning more towards wrap in terms of being cost effective, because all I need to do is sand it down, get this clear coat off, and then wrap it, and it will blend in quite nice. The paint, as you'll have seen from some of the shots, especially from that side, is absolutely awful. So we'll definitely be putting on Maguire's products to use, trying to get that sorted. This headlight is really hazed. This one's actually surprisingly okay, but we'll try and do a restoration on that. Might need a new headlight, I'm not sure. Obviously new plates. I did find some more issues actually. So the passenger side door card, the fabric, the felt is actually peeling away, so I need to restick that and retrim that. No problem at all. The driver side, the window roller is non-existent, so we'll need to replace that. Probably replace both while I'm at it. There is a little dent here. I don't think it's really going to impact anything. Obviously we've got a list of the things we need to sort. Got a mental list of parts I need to buy. By all means, if you want to see me do anything to the car, we can literally do anything with this car. So yeah, let me know. Do a show car build, proper stance car polo, off-road polo. I was trying to get Alex to do a scrap car challenge, and we'll do like the NC500 in them. So if you want to see something like that, go over to his channel, pester him to do that. So yeah guys, that is the car clean. New channel project. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you think I've gone mad? Do you think it's a good idea? Are you excited for the build? Let me know what you want to see with it. Next video, we'll actually get to working on the car. And as usual, make sure you drop a like. Let me know what you want to see on the Polo. Drop a comment. If you don't want to miss a video, new video every single Sunday at 5 PM. So make sure you subscribe. And for me and this Polo, catch you guys in a bit.